In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to your bank account from Revolut. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open your Revolut app and click on the Payments button. It's easy to spot once you're inside the app. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll be presented with several options. You might see choices like sending money to friends, transferring abroad, or even to a crypto wallet. But what we're looking for here is the option called Bank Recipient. Click on that to move forward. On the next page, you'll need to enter your bank account details. Specifically, you'll need your IBAN, which stands for International Bank Account Number. You can usually find this in your bank's app or on your account statement. Once you've entered the IBAN, simply add the recipient. This step is crucial because it links your bank account to Revolut for future transfers. When you add the bank details, you can choose to save them. This makes it faster the next time because you can just select your saved account and send money in one click. Finally, once everything is set up, you're good to go. Just confirm the transfer and your money will be on its way to your bank account. And that's it. Transferring money from Revolut to your bank account is as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. If you haven't signed up with Revolut yet, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description to get started right away, which helps support our channel here at Financer. I'll see you on the next one, and thank you for watching.